Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing great. So friends, let's talk about our today's recipe. Our today's recipe is red or purple cabbage warm salad. So this will be a mix of different flavors. We'll add sweet apple and honey and lime juice and apple cider vinegar and olive oil. So it will be very flavorful. Okay friends, let's start. So friends, for to prepare our warm salad, what we have done is we've shred the red or the purple cabbage, and we'll just cook this a little bit to make it tender, and then we will add it to the salad. So that's why this will be a warm salad. So I've taken some extra virgin olive oil, and I've taken white onion so that the color is contrast with the purple cabbage, and we'll cook this a little bit and then we'll add the cabbage. So basically we'll cook two ingredients, the onions and the cabbage. I will add some ginger paste and some garlic paste just to add the flavor. Some grated ginger, and some garlic paste. Okay. Okay, we can add in the purple cabbage and then we'll cook this for a little bit. I'll add just a pinch of sea salt. So friends, the cabbage is pretty tender now. As you can see, it has reduced in size, volume too. So now we can add the apples in it. So I sliced an apple. So I turned the heat off. Add the cucumbers, tomatoes, okay, let's toss this a little bit and then we'll add the salad dressing. It smells good, and this is like a balance of flavors. It has sweet in it, the apple and the tomatoes and the cucumbers with a neutral taste, and look, it's very colorful, and the onions are smelling amazing. So friends, for the dressing I have taken some extra virgin olive oil, and then I'll add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of lime juice, and like a teaspoon of minced garlic, and some black pepper, like a teaspoon, maybe less than a teaspoon, and then some raw honey, and like a half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm using iodized sea salt. So we'll mix this up and add into our salad. Okay, so our dressing is ready. Let's add this into the salad. It tastes amazing. It smells amazing. Okay, let's add this into the salad. Mix that a little bit. And now let's plate this up. And we can top this up with some walnuts and some raisins. Okay friends, so that is our recipe for today. The red or the purple cabbage warm salad. I hope you liked the recipe, you liked the video. If you liked it, then subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.